Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we got some amazing news on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So this news comes from a very reliable source, and that is Gordon Kelly from Forbes. Now before I give you the details, I'm going to quickly let you know that we do have quite some idea of what the Note 10 is going to be all about. We do know that it's going to be modeled after the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 5G model, and that it's going to have a 6.7-inch display for the Note Pro model. And we also have so far confirmed that the front camera, the front punch hole cutout, is going to be centered on the display, and of course the rear cameras, which might be 4 cameras, are going to be vertically oriented on the smartphone. We just do not know if those vertical cameras on the rear are going to be left mounted or right mounted or centered. But we do know on the front we're going to have a centered hole cutout. But now we have even more news, almost confirmed, because this is in fact a source that told Gordon Kelly from Forbes what he thinks, what he saw is coming to the Note 10 Pro. So here's the massive upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is going to have an extremely fast charging adapter, and it could be up to 50 watts. In fact, he's saying that it's almost guaranteed. As a matter of fact, Gordon Kelly wrote in his article, which I'm going to drop a link to down below, he said that my source was able to confirm leaks that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will launch with dramatically faster charging as a definitive. And then he says how much faster. It says potentially as much as 50 watts. That is going to be incredible. Right now, one of the fastest charging smartphones in the market is a OnePlus 7 Pro, and that has a 30 watt charger. And if the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 comes with a 50 watt charger, that's just going to be incredibly fast. I cannot wait to see how quick that phone is going to charge. Now, the other thing that was kind of confirmed, at least for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro model, which is the one I think most people are going to buy, is the fact that we're going to have 4,500 milliamp hours battery. Now, there were some recent rumors that countered even older rumors that did say we're going to have this anyway. But then, like I said, some rumors came up and they were saying 4,150, 4,200 milliamp hours battery on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. But as far as the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro model, the one that's going to have 6.7-inch screen, we most likely are going to see 4,500 milliamp hours battery in the 4G model or the 5G model. So that's what he has been able to confirm so far using his source. Now, other two things that people have been asking me is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10's S Pen going to have a built-in camera? That's not going to happen, and that was confirmed via his source as well. So if you were thinking about that, that's over. No camera on the S Pen. And of course, we're not going to get the 64 megapixel camera that Samsung has recently developed. So Samsung developed a 64 megapixel camera sensor, and some people thought it's going to make its way into the Samsung Galaxy Note 10's camera lineup, but that's not going to happen as well. Okay, so that's probably going to happen in the future. So that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and those are the upgrades that we have. So the phone is shaping up to be something really amazing. It is definitely going to be a phone better than the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Not too much better, but it's going to have some upgrades that are going to make Note fans very happy. Anyway, if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And of course, if you do have any extra information that I haven't mentioned in the video, drop that down below as well and let us know. All right, have a fantastic day, guys. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.